and Savior Jesus Christ, I now baptize you, Bailey Denise Ricketts, in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Ghost.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you, and you're in the mood for empathy, is blood in my pen.
Yeah, this one is too small. It's an extra small. It's an extra small, and it's looking extra small. Y'all, so Target have like the most beautiful clothes for little kids, y'all. I think I'm gonna have to come back and get Bailey one of these jackets. I mean, most definitely. That is a beautiful dress. But no, y'all, I came over here. Oh, this is a beautiful dress too. They really have some nice, beautiful dresses for kids. And I'm literally gonna have to come and grab some of these for her. They are so gorgeous, y'all. Like if y'all need some holiday dresses for the kids, Target is your place. Very beautiful, y'all. Very beautiful. I'm gonna have to grab some for my baby girl. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, girl. Yes. All right, y'all. So I most definitely needed to come to the restroom. So let's see. Let's check me out. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna go probably sit at the bar, try to order me some jambalaya, order me a drink, and then we're gonna head on back because we do have to go to Tiana's game today. Got my Balenciaga shoes on. My Old Faithful Balenciaga bag.
Money you go. Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So I come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place on earth. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on earth.
All right, y'all, so I am back. Got my hair done. Y'all, today we went with the side part. And I used the same wig that I had from the baby shower that had the ponytail at the top. So, baby, a girl that was in there, she was asking me about my hair wigs and where I buy them at. I was like, Amazon. I mean, I like those real nice expensive wigs, but y'all, for the time being, I got this one from Amazon, and I'll drop a picture on there. You know, well, maybe not, because I'm not being paid for it. So I got this one from Amazon. It was like $120 something. But this is my second time wearing it. And I go to Siobhan right here off of Homestead in Houston, Texas. So if y'all know her, follow her on Instagram. But yeah, she be hooking your girl up. I love this. And I'll be back in probably about 2-3 weeks so I can get something else done. I think I might go back to my brown next time. But yeah, so next I just called A&B Lashes to see if I can move my lash appointment up. It was scheduled at 2 o'clock, but I'm gonna see if they said I could come in at 12:30, so I want to go ahead and get that done.
I'm so anxious just to feel that silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby.
All right, y'all. So just like that, the lashes are done. I usually don't like to tell her that I want full because I don't like for them to be looking so draggish, you know. But I do notice that if I just ask for not so full, like just regular classic or whatever, they don't last long. Because by the time I go home, maybe I shower, well, not shower and wet them, but if I shower or go lay down, take a nap, for some reason I feel like they shrink a bit, and they're gonna look more normal. Right now when I walk out, I be feeling like I could fly away when I look at them. But these are not, they don't usually be to my liking, like as far as in the just like not being so full, you know what I'm saying? They are kind of really full right now, and I don't like them too full looking. But I know that through the week, as I begin to shed lashes, they're gonna come to the right size that they need to be, and that I would appreciate, and they will last long. Because I got the last set of lashes done for my daughter's baby shower, and that was December. That was November the 18th. No, that was November the 7th. No, I got them done November the 16th, because I got them done the Saturday before the actual shower. The shower was on that Sunday, yeah. So I got them done the 16th of November. And here we are. Well, the 7th of December. I mean, yeah, the 7th of December. So kind of sort of shy of a month, maybe 3 weeks. So I know every 3 weeks to try to at least do it. Because then I was fortunate enough, I didn't have to pay for a full price. And I like it when I go in and just be like, no, I had all that extra stuff. Just, she be wanting to say eyebrow tinting. Yeah, I love the eyebrow tinting. And she'll tell me it lasts for 2 weeks. But no, it only lasts for 2 days, if that. It looks so pretty the day I get it when I do let them do it, but it only lasts for a day. And I don't like that. You know what I'm saying? If I'm gonna pay you $40 to tint my eyebrows, I want it to at least last a whole week at least. But I'm gonna wait until I get them micro bladed again, micro shaded or whatever. Wait till I get that done again. Anyways, my cousin has a tournament, a basketball tournament. She goes to a high school here in Houston, so I think it's start around 3 o'clock. So I think I'm gonna go home, see the girls, see which one of the girls want to come out to go to the tournament with me. So I've been wanting to go and support my cousin, who she plays very well. So I'm gonna go. I'm sorry, y'all. It is shaking. It is shaking. But I'm gonna end it right here, y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next clip.